Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today is part 3 of our December crochet along. We are finishing up the top part of our Santa. I'm so excited to see how this finishes. I know we've seen the pictures, but I'm using a little bit different yarn. So it's so much fun to see how things can change and become really pretty, even if you're not using exactly what the pattern calls for. I love how versatile crochet is in that aspect. So grab your yarn, grab your hooks. We'll be with you in just a second. Hi friends, when you look in the description below this video, there's going to be a link there that contains free patterns. Make sure you click that, check it out, and I'm so excited to see how you make them. Bye guys. Alright, so we've got the first part of Santa done. We are going to be working on his little hat today. This will be the last part of the actual washcloth, so this is part 3, and then we will be doing a part 4 where I'll show you a couple border options and what I'm going to do to finish him up. And then I wanted to show you guys, so this is the back of him. So yes, there are a couple carries here, like around his eyes and around his cheeks, but it's not super noticeable as it would be if you were carrying like black yarn through his eyes, or if you were carrying the pink all the way across or the gray all the way across. So this is really nice. It's got his little eyes up here and his little cheeks, and he's super cute, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to do what I did in the last video, and we're going to go through and add his little hat, and we're going to get that done, and I'm super excited about it. There is a little bit of some color changing here where we do his little white pom-pom and then add his hat onto it, but I'm really excited about this. So let's get started. I've got my gray and my red, and we are ready to go, and we're going to get this little dude finished up today. All right, we've got Santa Claus done. So, couple things you're going to notice. My Santa is backwards. I know that Santa is backwards. His little head, or little pom-pom, is supposed to be on the other side. So, I missed a row somewhere in here, and I'm pretty sure I missed it in his face, but I'm not 100% sure where it was. I noticed it as I was coming back across. I was like, his pom-pom's supposed to be on this side. But that's okay, because this is my washcloth, and they're not all going to be the same. And now I can make Santa facing 2 different ways because I missed a row somewhere. I wouldn't recommend it, but it is what it is right now. So yeah, so this is Santa Claus. We've got him all finished up. I've just got to weave in a couple of his ends, and it's cool because if you look at the back, there's really not a whole lot of yarn carry. So you see a little bit in his cheeks and a little bit on his pom-pom, and if I really wanted to, I could cut this and weave in those tiny pieces and make it to where his pom-pom didn't have that gray carry on it, but that's okay. But we've got Santa, and he's super, super cute, and I love him. I think he's precious, and I'm probably going to make a bunch of these, and now I have little fuzzies of the red yarn all over the place. So I'm going to weave in his ends, and then next week, so this will be coming out on Christmas Day. I don't expect you all to be here on Christmas Day, but I just want to let you know that it will be out. So part 4 will be out. I will show you how to make the little hanger for it if you want to be able to hang this up and put a border on him, so he will also have a border. We're probably going to do it in the red because I think it's going to be really cute, but I will show you guys how to do that in the next video. And I hope you guys like this. If you have any questions, just leave those in the comments, and I can probably direct you back to the first video where I kind of explained everything out. But if not, I can answer them, and I hope you guys have a great week. See you in the next video. Bye guys!